Security sir, no gate for no. Share. Media for almost stop people say, person footage ni ye pa. Or some of them who say, Edema Club no. Into no, and one thing I'm many about securities, police, or more any other securities, or more say, or communication, very good.
Okay.
Or so will be moon to name baby and answer, young copy or no communicate, come. I have some paying for say many say, and paying for some many say, and paying for say, for way fatua, yam for her, yen say, it's almost communication, and so very good. And Yama editor now came, and so Ewa has said, now what Jano, we are no exam kakra. But us in Suno, a one now petting back, you bear 1 minute. Now petting us sounds with Jay.
And one some were home. What did it be? Since so the car be bet me a Siana.
Supporters say, and so talk, and swan to, or what you go somewhere, Wakasha, a 3-1, Wakasha, a 2-1. And not just a Kotoko, and bet a goal margin to say, you see, Quarano. And supporters know our regime say, I get 10 crap in so tall, in swan to Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a winnie. Nanyakupo Yaduma Friday, no, or Marco, no one whack, and so I could teach Gina, and what Mama Bibia, and so at me. I come and Tuba. A class post, Mamma coincide, Mamma Crosso, nothing shot yet. Now, men for also report supporters or more banner, sending me see at here, and so I say.
Okay.
Now, inside the now, near 10 years, which media stands one of them. Now, what you need a share, because of what stands red one, rest stands, now restaurants no because supporters can come by, you know. Omo ewo hono ma omo efute ana town e form no
they have to be focused and 90 plus minutes are referee but we say Kotoko for me focus no I'm have to come on your me so say I'm making me after win e wo ha
yeah game na nkasa say Kotoko records no if you back Kotoko 6 matches Kotoko winning to the what one left the team fire yeah what a team our go for fact that ball okoye although we team of this state babesi Caf Confederations Caf SCB say no first round okay ma ho dia so far na Kotoko so ho dia na wo compare what the yen hwa dia what can ho dia na wo Kotoko so
Bob question na obusa no a very good question right on air and what they are born again no kura dia e ba akopɛ what players from dey bar their value all those football etoda ana players no e value ni omo bo etoda etimi echenima lower teams no etimi e cause magic e say bigger teams by born paper they are born what quality omo dey ban dey am so say on quality e basis here almost omo bro Kotoko because Kotoko set up now all those Kotoko one or two players are almost here big the likes of even Samba and Dongano now Abromo all boy Caf tournament ni bi da but we work for na be omo free bana so that we can just this season ya team a omo we makobo FIFA Club World Cup the likes of Manchester City mo teams like Sia omo Europe ni na wa ketimi ko show so e ba kesi ana say current form team a ogina so dia ball mega say work ejina so passing Kotoko ball.
Okay, to say you again, you may have Kotoko answer. Kotoko, who expect coach are you to play a today and another start because so we check here. According to me, in any day, Obama channel is my predict
Probably sure.
Na ekoye Patrick Kisi me let me answer.
Henry Ansu.
Henry Ansu. So play and the Samba. Or born to say the Cobon war.
Wow.
Nobody deal with Adabo. Na wali da about 10. Now when is about Peter mi duafa. NFA be beje. On say ye jewuno. Obon baby aye.
Sure it be boy.
Amo no ejina as typical number 9 ni di amako.
No. Say Coach Karim Zito. Kwai where you work for na mo ha no bon say na make can o di ro na say na make can Samba be gina wa because na minim say Kotoko fo be share goals on be share goals nti Samba be gina head that o di ro wa ana Henry Ansu so enim no so don say ono so de big game be say obetimi atre any powers nti bon this line up our maybe the na ka ba ku bi na be temi o ba we be a Samba share dey ametimu say this line up no say coach etimi born na Kotoko ese the brain me sure say on metimi asili because that 3 goals na etom against Kwara no so am ko mistake na be aba akokwa betom etia club e friend say wa ka ba agin because I'm not from Africa for am clubs are am ba home na am benya just even a one goal on metimi dey be no ma be because am ne has game a ba so
them only one goal and if I remember
say
this is Salif Furniture
sure Salif Di Maria omo call Mohammed the fifth export them get dreaded export them omo say has 6 goals into work team a won na eba who mo na die e say who make it possible means we are say clean sheet in the eba so game na die me hu ni say mu be din but Kotoko is so money o ma ye now problem for player friends Lord Hilary Adabo then player friends say who be jewu omo mienu agina for then flanks so Kotoko player ba ko this recent game that Kotoko about we checking last 2 games on the flanks player friends say Inusa we ball obema wetin go ball na me hu say coach no or the next start here na how I was be ya no betimi asho bibi ene so me line up na come Inusa Fuseni na me dey Peter mi do akwa out of flanks when a player the friend say Albert Amu Agogo and so etimi ejina na want to born me formation dey me cannot call with this 11 player friend say Kamara e better pull him Lord Amu as usual ejina right back player friend say Patrick Asieru so that be ojina left back one so better chire me then Lord Hilary Adabo only player friend say so who be jewu ejina say na it was say dey can then Peter mi do akwa and so be more flank so then player friend say Inusa Fuseni any ejina flank and Albert Amwa any player friend say Wale dey Fuseni name and so abo that anymore
okay mama no was meba because work for now so I have to talk to them yes good afternoon oh sorry okay I think you want
let's build it one meal
Adabo and so bo double pivot na Inusa ana Walid ana Amidu and so abo modia abo and so abo modia LED ho ewo attack ho no na abetamu a na LED attack no abetamu a na LED attack na yedi bitu eja ama onsu anya bi ahwe nti enu no na eda screen so no hwe screen so a enu na eda screen so no Kotoko abusua ko ni nyina na eye krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko unim se o ma nemi this crash no Red Redemption sana o ma nemi no Red Redemption na se de Kotokofo na mini na interview bi akụkọ so yebusebisa almost Kotokobeshe 3 Kotokobeshe 3 ni ade ne de na to me say eni se de be akro be abedi nkunim 2 goal margin na 3 goals margin na omokodu Morocco ho no matima kwesi nkete omakohye omo den ahye omo ho ma abomodin a ene o mafe so na chese omo de nkunimdie enso abagana ha sana etie ewo Accra Sports Stadium a medibi nso ema odwumadie ne so medibi ma ewo dwumadie ne so nti oba unia de obeye ne se obe subscribe no wa share obe subscribe no wa share no wa like na wabo ama dwumadie no nso so aye kama pa ewo ho bepajo subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Sa ana yede ko yenim sa nebema yen suso enya ahodaso na yetimi ede match no emu nsem nyina abrew. Mepacho yene sa emaye yene sa amaye. Ubetimi de wade nkyere aba yebekenkan ama kama ewujubadie ne so. Ebre ko ne ekoye nim no nyina no ye bekenkan u comment na o de beba no ama na bibia ye kama enti Kotoko abusia no ana eye warm up ewo no ma bibi atoso ema
halal ya tabo
Kotoko eno mese soro koko form koko na white ne de musa white ne de musa na chese bibia ye kama honum warm up session no na ekoso no ma me she timetimi nya sound no bi
ama wonso wotwe de so goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara Patrick Esegu Lord Amwa Samba Wonel Joseph Fabulo Ibe Chewu Lord Halawi Atabo Walid Name Fuseni Inusa Peter Amidu Apa NF Abet Amwa lineup ni yeye pa Mami Sansu Mohamed Kamara in both posts Abet Patrick Esegu Lord Amwa Samba Wonel Joseph Fabulo Ibe Chewu Lord Halawi Atabo Walid Name Fuseni Peter Amidu Apa ana Inusa chama yahe kakra na nyewe lineup na ba o se na akafa ho
Oboran say o line up ya eye coach e friend say Karim Zito e dey abetu biana me like me predicted lineup na pepepe and dey atu ya how na me kan say eye Kamara e be si bi other poem na play boy ma so Inusa any pitami do ever flank or then e wali dey to say the name ebo eye 10 position na play friend say eye Albert Amo as usual once o ko echi Kotoko ni nations wetimi ambo but right now the fitness na bar on also etimi erobinti lineup we dia good lineup because players now coach Karim Zito yi omo so mo kobo na omo nyina equally omo nyina good players so born me the lineup ready to me the very okay lineup
I Kakebi Lord Amwa also mo player here friend Aziz Kisho Aziz we winger and the last time I met World Cup we were doing Uti this year say Lord Amwa ebe to me.
Gary Prima Sugar Roast.
Lord Amwa said I work on paper there. Kabeka say be a mismatch, but football as it like it always been full of uncertainty. Lord I ain't no me ya. Me sure so bet me am mark as this careful because players bit say line or Messi and Ronaldo cry. E to da with me ewura games me yen yan mo tinti. Lord I ain't no me ya me sure say bet me play as this out of the game.
Apart from Lord, one say Amrabat.
Sure. Sofiane Amrabat.
Yes. Also, yeah, one of the
Yeah.
So, okay,
Baba, Papa, who shall experience. That's all we are in part to a player about the experience with me and put me in frame. So because even on your for Manchester United, but player at me, I was here Manchester United. I also to say player or quality. In the middle of the game, no, Obeha I have Kotoko for the power. Me sure say Kotoko for no. Some person, omo yen yo me ya, omo pon physical because I don't know who can right now in field 38 years. Experience na wo adwin pass so bet me abo. But I had the light of a Lord, Larry Adabo. That Kotoko DM no so person or put to about the free game anymore. On money physical. So ko jina e ko eno 50-50 and I say ọkọ jẹ wo dia I'm not about to bet me fire midfield ni na because a player even the Moroccan national team wa ball even World Cup semi final nada inti Amrabat born or your midfielder wa kwa ni wu but Kotoko for number say I'm playing out of the game here I'm try say I'm back on physical part in most of any situations born.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Iniesta, Anya
Kan sports stadium na yaba no yɛto aso afiri ha ɛyɛ kakra yɛbɛkɔ hɔnom na kyɛ sɛ yakɔ akɔgye commentary ni ade no ɛde abɛso mu warm up no gu so a ɛkɔ ongoing warm up no gu so na ɛnkyɛ biara agokansie no bɛ start ɛnkyɛ biara agokansie no bɛ start about 2:22 p.m. ɛwɔ Ghana sɛdɛ weather no si bɔ wɔ ha paa na wiana no ɔdene mebakyɛw aha yɛ striker exclusive woba bɔmmɔden a yɛmadom na yɛ memmoa na subscribe na hyɛ ɛma me ɛwɔ ha subscribe na hyɛ ɛma me na yɛ ɛfa wo comment ne to aseɛ na ɔmo hu sɛ ɛno wa na edi dwumadie no mepakyɛ wo bɔmmɔden a yɛmadom a subscribe and share mepakyɛ subscribe and share nti Kotoko players na uhu ɔmo wɔ hɔnom na ɔmo bɔmmɔden a ɛkeka nneɛma abom ɛwɔ pitch no so ɔmo yɛ training warm up na gu so no warm up na ɔmo gu so ɔmo yɛ no warm up na Kotoko training na ɛkɔ so no physical trainer ne nenamu uti ana yɛfɛn sɛ assistant coach nso so ɛnenamu ɔhwɛ boys no a ɔmo yɛ ɔsi mu bi da ponim Patrick Asiedu Samba O'Neil Abro ana Lord nso so ka ho bi a ɔmo bɔ akyire ama Asante Kotoko mfimfini hɔ yɛ Walid Fuseni Neema Abro ana Hibajew ana attackers ne yɛ Patrick Asiedu ne Inusa ana Albert Amwa attackers no ɛno no nti ɛnɛ WAC of Morocco atoa Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛwɔ Ghana no mmeranteɛ a ɛgyina mu ɛde ama afanu no mmeranteɛ ɛgyina mu ama Asante Kotoko na mmeri ato dwa no Emrantie gyina mu ama Asante Kotoko nam de atudwa no. Mame bongura mu wo Wak of Morocco for asoeye na mehwe se metimi ensa aka mensa betimi aka omo starting lineup a na chese metumi e de abesom wo ha na onim se Morocco Wak no omo wo player bi o timi kobo Manchester United okobo Manchester United na onena ninamu a wasa bepie mu wo Wak of Morocco na Amrabat asem na making se unim na Amrabat Amrabat asem na making nti se unim na ono a FIFA Club World Cup no so obo bi kama na World Cup ne ade chale nti se Kotoko pe win pa dia Asante Kotoko pe win a o se omohwe abranti a yefre so wanya bi ade wani coach amansan ahwe na chese niema atoto na akwan so niema akeka si ne na ye kama nso ewo hono ma ye de som wodwumadie ne so Asante Kotoko ene Wak of Morocco match ya enche nti Morocco fo no nso starting lineup na mediato enchen wo honom saa no goalkeeper no on na share number 16 no no number 14 echiro ho obebo left side na 4 and 5 na ye 4 and 24 na ye say 2 no nso abo right side ho na Amrabat ne omo kekeka ho Aziz no ade no omo nso so agina wings ho ne mfimfin ho na attackers no nso so akoye 2 ho no ma ye de som wodwumadie ne so ye de som wodwumadie ne so na te say ya bawura ma yakofa Wak of Morocco for no nso starting lineup no nso supporters no aba ye pa Asante yo ampa supporters na aba ye pa se enye home away from home home away from home but supporters no I appreciate kakra che uhwe yellow stance ho na e view ne da na enimu he ya kakra ya na ase enipa kofo no starting lineup na ye de ato ho no na mame fan tuja nkyerɛ sɛ Morocco Wak of Morocco jersey a omo bɛhyɛ no cream na ase ye de wine atwerɛtwerɛ din no ne kon ne nsa no nyinaa ye cream bisa na down no nso ye cream wine bisa wine bisa ana down no nso ye cream sa na numbers ne ye wine color sa jersey no sa na ebeko sa na jersey no etie jersey omo bɛhyɛ no Wak of Morocco jersey omo bɛhyɛ no Babalara Sports Asante Kotoko de no esoro ne fom nyina ye yellow keeper ne de no na gemi hu ne se Kotoko esoro ne fom nyina ye kokko na ye de white na atwerɛtwerɛ ntwerɛye ne numbers na egu jerseys ni mu no na Wak of Morocco no nso so bɛhyɛ cream color na ye de wine atwerɛtwerɛ numbers ni din no efom so ye cream na ye de wine atwerɛtwerɛ numbers no saa pepepe ene ekoso ewo Accra Sports Stadium a ye de bi so mu ya madam na subscribe na share view ni nko nkura kra monshare ni maye monshare Asante Kotoko ewie omo warm up no omo headed towards dressing room na chese Wak of Morocco nsusu awie omo ɛwɔ map na ɔmo nso headed towards dressing room na kyerɛ sɛ aka to na abro na deɛ ɛgyeebo na ɛgya no anya abeduru ɛgyeebo na ɛgya no anya abeduru saa pɛpɛɛpɛ ana yɛde ɛto dwa ɛwɔ ha se a wonya bi ahwɛ ɛwɔ striker exclusive pepa kyɛw bɔmmɔden a subscribe na share na like ne comment fa comment bra na yɛbɛkan ama wo fa comment bra na yɛbɛkan ama wo Asante Kotoko akyitaafoɔ no dodoɔ na mpaebɔ ne sɛ Kotoko benya 2 goals margin na 3 goals margin na kyerɛ sɛ Kotoko bɛhyɛ 5 koraa Wak of Morocco ɛbɛti bi a ɔmo ntimintie bi a baako pɛ ana mienu na sɛ ɔmo nti bi nso so koraa ɛno nso yɛ ɔmo nti bi nso koraa ɛno nso so yɛ me yaka sɛ restance ne deɛ ɛhyɛ nkran because home away from home home away from home nti no yɛbɛfa ne saa supporters no nhyɛ dankɔ stadium saa yɛsɛ deɛ pitch ne so ada hɔ kama players ni nyinaa kɔyɛ ahoboa asaba ago kansie no bɛhyehyɛ so ɛwɔ hɔnom a yɛde bi so mu bɛfa kyɛw sɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɔ wagye tadeɛ ho dawuro a wobɛtumi de aba striker exclusive ne abɔ ho dawuro ama kama na wanya so ne wodeɛ na te sɛ bibia ayɛ kama ɛwɔ hɔ Asante Kotoko ɛho nkɔmɔ na yɛdie Asante Kotoko ɛho nkɔmɔ na yɛdie Asante Kotoko ukuma pim sanete ene eyene today be today se ne kramu antu a ifiru abetu kramu antu a ifiru abetu na se me de line up ne ma obiawu dia na che se Asante Kotoko Muhammad Kamara ena eda ponim Muhammad Kamara na eda ponim Patrick Esiedu Samba O'Neil Abro Lord ena Adabo Jau ana Amidu Walid ana Inusa na tese abrantia yefre no Albert Amua Agogo Albert attack no ede yama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko honum na se otu ani hwe Morocco fo no side a so omudi ne de chale ode be yi kakra ma no na de minim no mu ye Amrabat Vinvi wana Aziz 25 days no na nya saade a yebe yusu omo numbers na afre omo keeper order pon mu 16 JC na che say the obo left side no so she 14 the obo mfinfin mienu no 4 and 24 na the over right side and so as a 2 JC. Na middle honum no wabo middle honum obo 442 formation 442 formation na obo no honum sa no aha 442 information 19 ne 3 JC no ebaba modern about 2 top 442 formation na work of Morocco airborne no 442 information aha bacho chiasesa na bomodin oba na wa subscribe na wa share e de amaye oba na wa subscribe na wa share na de amaye yembie entum na yenhu de ekoso ewo page ne so yembie entum
all the top here is not Baba. So if you look at here, end of the under the and if you look at the other side, there's the south. It's too bad. It's too bad. But we are hoping maybe they will come. But it's almost time. But I think the fans here will do something. They will do something. One thing is that Hasiya also you see. So I say Enyakodo home on the over stance in the supporters are our firm. But if say a class post stadium came for a say and Emma and so many that are we do out or more Indian women, they should allow them fast for them to enter into the pitch. If say players no any room now Hasino a share inquire, we know say Emma and so able to me and so ako ye our whole team. We are looking for say Emma and so able to me ako ye supporters in the then can say our film pie our film supporters no our film and Ghana Premier League is ongoing and so how about you are looking Senka and
What will you do when you win big? With over 2 million Ghana cedis up for grabs, transact more than 100 Ghana cedis with your Momo app, and you could win daily, weekly, and monthly cash prizes, and 100,000 Ghana cedi grand prize. Bank transfers, POS, and third-party transactions also qualify. This promo runs in collaboration with the NLA on the Caritas Lottery platform. Terms and conditions apply.
Here, I know work for them, and so how or monitor. I'm say more fire, Kotoko. Ivan Sefa or Sefa Kotoko 5. And with that win, also there also at the about to work. I don't ask them Samson and Jay was say, hey, this match should have been played in Kumasi, also on Koma or the Abba, and so a honum. Okoro Nanawa say, get your fat well. Kotoko lost 1-0 away. Yes, that's what I told you, sir. They lost the game. They did not win. They lost rather. Sa na mekaye they Kotoko we win here at 2002. We say we have 10 million supporters, yet we cannot get 10,000 supporters. It's a shame. And also it's also to wire also to wire also to wire also to wire and also to wire so also if you know online Kotoko will win with convinced margin. Kwame Akufu USA and also Mauro. So bring all your messages here on born again sports. Then you also enjoy Howard and Emma LCCT. So we are waiting, sir. Both clubs. A word Joshua. I'm watching fabulous. And the other Mole Hossan. Got 3, got 5. Sharaja. Okay. I'm not for the message now. I was saying I went to say about and no. Isaac Mr. Kotoko will win. Emmanuel J. Wabe, fabulous, the best. Okay. Maminko. Na minkin kan Hamza Ejijiga. It is a Moroccan name. I can't mention. So okay. The message is no so a dos yepa. So Enchibiana Chimedi no. Eshasne for BBR. To me so I fine. Stadium how you cool. Here is school. Here is school. So we are hoping, and we are come to witness one of the best games in.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we put the final touch. There we have it.
Years, or in the last 2 decades, Wydad have clearly been the better of the two. Kotoko's story with Africa, the last time they made any kind of impression, you have to go all the way back to almost 20 years when they played in the final of the Caf Confederations Cup. Do you think in any way or form that the experiences of these clubs on the African continent would play any kind of role as far as some of these games are concerned?
Yeah, I think
Ablo la kuma Samba O'Neal. Yeah, so Eddie Abakoma Patrick Essiedu. Samba O'Neal. Eddie Abakoma Kamara to Adabo Ejinabo so Jama Ablo to Adabo back again to Samba O'Neal to Ablo the ball everywhere now so more winning possession without back now so Samba Wama fight ball you bet Joe Koko elbow ball on match and we are looking for a Koko team no Koko team be win your foul but we say Aziski Koko Jambolechi Aziski na so bola ti anko Babedi Mohamed Kamara Morocco a jump so Aziski a shot now to one number because that was Aziski
One of the players I made can Aziski Omoheni ye pa because
Solapioba Koloko I started play and Wapejam Tente and Inusa Adams Inusa Dimika that's your Inusa and then Dono A throwing it's a throwing for Asante Kotoko and we are all looking say anyone look for you Mo say Lord Amua Dimika Papa Tambono Lord Amua to go up inside it's about to walk the boy the play Babedi Adabo Akim Bola Hubert now so o makle o machi o kama still Kotoko Babedi Patrick the room for delay papa I was Kotoko starting to come on tentem delay answer is too much I'll read all your messages for you. My name is Nabokwa Gracious and here is One Sports, One Against Sports. Subscribe, share, what else to also enjoy. Kick for Koloko. And we are expecting goal expectation. That was a clear chance. Missed by Peter Widwapa. Aziski, Dr. Jabo Etinaso, the free war Amrabat, 38-year-old player as Amrabat, Jabolechi, Amrabat, Mose, Kamara Air communicating with the back line. Amrabat, a chance, Amrabat, Kamara, Tibolo, now what Tibolo. That was both Pakama, Subolententem, Aziz, Isa, Inusa Adams. That was Inusa Adams. Now so, I said, boy, that's the power of the and if Kotoko try to utilize their set pieces, their chances, everything is going to be well for Club Yakumasi Asante Kotoko. Can see Patrick Essiedu and I think Walid Nema when I kick for Kotoko. It's another corner kick for Club Yakumasi Asante Kotoko. Inusa Adams, Inusa Nyabon, Oetia, the Confabon Entropon, the Confabon Entropon, the Bonnet, Bonabadi, a chance for what? Rapa Pitamo, cleared by somebody. It was a clear chance. Pitamo, now to you know something, we might call. Obola plan what we get Jama Kasafin.
Oh, I said, am I so relaxed on the ball, sir, and I move professional ball. But I think that this is the timer. Also, Kotoko, you know, many people should be near go. I'm on press room because I hadn't only said what can you want to go to. So, could you know tomorrow now? You can see how I'm born. First time, they won't basically have press on. But since there is a video game, you are the top first staff, and you first can have.
And I'm for Claudia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And I think this is the fifth or the sixth corner kick for Claudia Kumasi Asante Kotoko this afternoon. Continue.
Because see, I need a move. I'm telling you, sir. The answer is something. Don't be delay. So, boy, I hope the Kotoko ball lady, you're more about I'm okay, come on.
So another foul, a player on the pitch. See, one of what Morocco Wydad Athletic Club, one of our players is on the pitch, and then the medical team of the club has attended to him, and they are taking care of Mose. Player not national now to go for a man who 10,000. The players are drinking more. Why? According to showing what 210 somebody will know and could have really throwing. You could have called throw for 210. Lord, Lord, and I said, Albert, sorry. Albert to Lord Amwa. Lord, and whatever now so showing against Kotoko. He played 25 minutes at the Accra Sports Stadium. Referee whistle for cooling break. So the players are going to take water to cool themselves. Well, right now, ref, was signal say young cooling break. But no said the aircon on say Kotoko for no man play job mua. And yes, you say go bet me aba. Boy, how Kotoko for no bobo on the asset. She anywhere I want stake to them. But I work for ya. I'm about home and say I was a ball from Nimbo. Kukwasa say ya on the not go be now one go to Toma. Kotoko for no ma be dia mo so I say Kotoko for no page am back. There's all about Kotoko for no body am muni ye. Especially Peter with Wapa. Just a glorious chance. Any answer was saying what this a game of air caliber say ya. Chance number be blue. So Kotoko for no I say mo page am so because game of body there or from pie or from game of mobile LFM. Reference also always so, and game starts or game resumes. The job will be 10. The Abba confirm one. Some other to say about Rama when I already work. Job was 10, but no one in particular. Patrick Sidu, but the job will already come.
Shot a water break. Both teams will have some pep talk from the technical side. Let's see what they can do with a pep talk they had.
Football control in the middle. Now Hilary Adabo and Co will move forward as Kumasi Asante Kotoko search for opportunities coming in through the left. Goes round his marker. He was trying to create space for himself for the shot. That was not forthcoming. Asante Kotoko trying to keep the ball out of play, and eventually they win for themselves a throw-in.
I'm expecting to see the supplies coming into the direction of Albert Amoah. He's a player who has a lot to offer. He has pace, he has good control, and he has clinical finishing up front. I'm expecting the likes of Samba O'Neill, Hubert Jehu, and the likes to see the surgeon run from Albert Amoah and flick on and supply him with the balls. See if they can get something out of the defense of Wydad.
By in as much as they are making a name for themselves, I believe that in recent times too, they've been very inconsistent.
Pass was hit too hard from Lord Amoah.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more. Lord Amoah had the idea all right. It was just too powerful, the pass. But again, crisscrossing the field, Lord Amoah, Hilary Adabo, and of course trying to create space in front of them. Peter Amidou cuts in as he can, but we've not seen the effectiveness of Albert. There's no Kwame Opoku in the team to deliver the goals, but certainly Kumasi Asante Kotoko have the men.
Ball being won by Asante Kotoko, and this spread play to the left-hand side. And let's see what they can do this time. Peter Amiduakwa with the ball. Try to skip past his marker, lays the pass, but quickly wet. Ball still in possession with Asante Kotoko. The Wydad team who be looking out for. Now the Moroccan team, Wydad, they are very, very smart, and they can turn things around. That ball there was just waiting for a touch. A touch from the Wydad team player would have been a goal. The ball, it's a low drive, beating everyone, including the goalkeeper of Asante Kotoko. Bujata with that drive. But Asante Kotoko will be glad to see that going wayward. And Kamara will start off the play from the back.
Kotoko will come forward. Can it be kept in play? Nicely shadowed by Samba.
Yeah, that was a good one there from Samba O'Neill. A body check there on Northern Amrabat, knowing how experienced Amrabat is. And that check there from Samba O'Neill.
Fine elaboration, ball is taken away from him, but referee notices an infringement in the process. The advantage will still stay with Asante Kotoko. Trap nicely there, but there is a strong challenge.
Yeah, a good challenge there from the Wydad team. They are always going to press and not allowing Asante Kotoko to have that space of freedom to play that possession football they always want to do.
And like we said earlier on, everything Kotoko have thrown at the Moroccans. While on the other end of the field, player goes down, appeals for the free kick. And I'm not sure referee would have sympathy.
Yeah, player down there is
on the player, yeah.
Albert Amoah, and you can see that Asante Kotoko is one player who is always going to get the goals for Asante Kotoko. Here is the technical team of Wydad, their coach.
Oh, the goalkeeper can afford to have a good time with the ball.
Yeah, showing a piece of skill there, the juggling nature.
Here and there, just keeping himself fresh and warm.
I must say, Albert Amwa has been quiet so far.
The Moroccans have the advantage now as they try and cut through the middle. Good tackle. But that was fair. I thought that was a fair tackle. But not only is he penalized, but he's also shown the yellow card. Now we see it. Player comes through, and that was a strong tackle. Did he get to the ball? Yes, he got his feet to the ball, but the referee was the closest to the spot. Free kick advantage it will be for the Moroccans. Dangerous times now for the Porcupine Warriors. They'll have to do a lot of defending. As we get into the dying embers of the first half. Swinging nicely. The connection comes back, but there's no one there to connect. Still in play though. Against his opponents, it's a strong tackle. The Moroccans have it, but referee says no. That was unfair challenge. 45 minutes of action we've seen here, 2 minutes of add-on time. And that was a foul that has brought about the resultant free kick.